गन्धर्वराज प्रतिमं लोके विद्यार्थपौरुषम् गन्धर्वराजं प्रतिमं लोके विद्यार्थपौरुषम् मध्यमानन्द ज्ञानिनं चन्द्रकान्ताननं रामं चन्द्रकान्ताननं रामं अप्रियदर्शनम् औदार्य गुणेन I'm going to share my screen also. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Geeta ji, theriyirudhu.
You can see the screen?
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, I'm going to do the slide from the current slide. I will do the slideshow. Can you see me? See the screen? Can you hear me?
Yes, Geeta ji, both are good.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's it. Well, let's go there. So I'm on 25 now. Okay. I'm going to start from this is mostly about how Rama is coming to see Dasharatha, and Sumandran is bringing him, and the whole beauty is described here. गन्धर्वराज प्रतिमं लोके विद्यार्थपौरुषम् विद्यमाद्यमादानन्दज्ञानिनौ चन्द्रकान्ताननौ रामौ चन्द्रकान्ताननौ रामौ चन्द्रकान्ताननं रामम् अप्रियदर्शनम् औदार्यगुणैः का कर्मामि न ददर्पवश्य रामो दासितम् राजति रघुकुल युवराजेन्द्रो राजति रघुकुल युवराजेन्द्रो रमणीयवदनो रामचन्द्रः राजति रघुकुल युवराजेन्द्रो रमणीयवदनो रामचन्द्रः राजविधिकृत रत्नमयरथ राजन्मणिपीठमध्य विराजितो राजति रघुकुल युवराजेन्द्रो रमणीयवदनो रामचन्द्रः बाहुविभूषित मणिमयघटक परिमलतैल सिक्तालकः मृगमदलितितल लाटपलकः मृगमतलिकितल लाटपलकः मलयजलिप्तवक्षोभाकः राजति रघुकुल युवराजेन्द्रो सौन्दर्यनिर्जित गन्धर्वराजग शौर्यविनिर्जित सर्वराजः शौर्यविनिर्जित सर्वराजः कमनविनिर्जित मा ಮೃಗ ರಾಜ ಬಾಗುಭೂಷಿತ ಮಣಿಮಯ ಕಟಕ ರಾಜಿತ ಕುಕುಲ ಯುವರಾಜೇಂದ್ರೋ ಭಕ್ತಜನನ ಪ್ರಿಯದರ್ಶನ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಕ ಚೇತ ಕರ್ಷಣ ವಚನ ದಶರಥ ವೀಕ್ಷಿತ ಸುಂದರ ವದನಗ ಸುಮಂತ್ರ ಸೇವಿತ ಸರಸಿಜ ಚರಣಗ ರಾಜತಿ ರಘುಕುಲ ಯುವರಾಜೇಂದ್ರೋ ರಮಣೀಯ ವದನೋ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರಗ The whole beauty of Rama is described here, and Dasaratha is really admiring. And Ramachandran is coming on the royal street by the chariot, and his beauty is unbelievable, and his shoulder is decorated with nice bells, Mani Maya bells. Okay, Kasturi Tilakam is on his forehead, and look at his walk. He is walking like a nice baby elephant who is kind of madam. No, is mad elephant walks like that. So he's walking very nicely. He's very handsome. He's more handsome than Gandharva. So the Vrittam that I sang also described is more beautiful than Gandharva. And if you look at Rama's feet, his rose color petal kind of a feet, is that itself is much more handsome than whole Gandharva put together. That's it. So and look at his majesty. Majesty is like a lion. That's described there too. Then Sumandran is bringing, and Dasaratha is really Dasaratha Vikshita Sundara Vadanaga. He is so flattened and he's so proudful, and his Vadanam becomes more handsome than before. Dasaratha is full of smile on his face, and Sumandra is bringing, and is also bowing down to Rama, and he's bringing Rama to Dasaratha's palace. The whole handsome Rama is described beautifully here. So now that we saw the beauty, then let's see the next Kriti, which is set in Pandurali. And how this Kriti describes how Rama is attracted to Dasaratha. The whole thing is described like a Chakora Pakshi, that is that bird, right? That bird will keep on looking at the moon. It cannot take its eyes off from moon. Likewise, here Dasaratha's face is described as a Chandra. So Rama is looking at Rama has become like a Chakora Pakshi here, bird, and his whole direction of look is only on Dasaratha, that full moon Dasaratha's face. Okay. And also Rama is completely worshipped by the whole Bhakta Jana here, and Rama also he bows down to Dasaratha. So the whole thing is Rajati Raja Sabhayam Rajakumaraga. That is when Sumandran is bringing, and when he is bringing him, and then what happens in Dasaratha's palace. That's what is being described here. Sena viprajya satru Sanja Panitraja Vimala Pakshaga Sena Vibraja Satru सेन विप्राजसा दत्रो साञ्चपाणित्रज विमलः राजतिराजसभाया राजकुमारः राजतिराजसभाया राजकुमारः नागरनयन नन्दवर्धनः नागरनयन नन्दवर्धनः नरपतिचरण कृतवन्दन राजतिराजसभाया दशरथवदन चन्द्रशेखरः दशरथवदन चन्द्रशेखरः सामधान भेद दण्डचतुरः सामधान भेद दण्डचतुरः राजति राजसभाया प्रेम निरीक्षित भक्त समाजः प्रेम निरीक्षित भक्त समाजः भक्त पूजित शरण सरोजः राजतिराज सभाया Can I do one more kriti or we should stop here?
இன்னும் 5 நிமிஷம் ஆகுமா? ஒன் மோருக்கு.
ஒன்றுக்கு 5 நிமிஷம் ஆகும்.
சரி, அதை மட்டும் ஒன்று மட்டும் முடிச்சிருங்க.
அவ்வளோதான்.
யா.
सौमित्रे पुञ्ज सौमित्र रागबलां च सौमित्रे पुञ्ज सौमित्र रागबलां च जीवितं श्रीराजं स स्वागासम् अभिगामये. The whole thing is what he is describing is Rama is telling Lakshmana. He looks at Lakshmana. Lakshmana, Dasharatha, our dad wants to make me take over this, take the oath or Pattabhishekam, and why is he in a hurry? And I really care more about you guys, and why is this Samrajyam for me? And I am living here only for the sake of you, and there is Bharadan is not here, Shatrugnan is not here. Why is Appa in a hurry? And Appa need not have to be in such a hurry, but I will always obey Appa, a dad. So that's my duty. So he says like that. So everybody is really like the whole crowd is really like very surprised to hear all this premika vachanam. Bhaktavachalamma bhavaya Lakshmana Bhaktavachalamma bhavaya Lakshmana nagamichami swagama pavarkam kimuda samrajam vina bhaktavakkam kimuda samrajam vina bhaktavakkam bhaktavachalamma नागमात्मना कुशलं कलये जीवितं राजमपि त्वदर्थं कामये भक्तवत्सलं मां भावय लक्ष्मण भरतशत्रुघ्नो प्रादरो विगाय यदति पिता किं ममाप्युतयाय भक्तवत्सलं मां भावय लक्ष्मण रामेण गतिं कमितं सहृदयं रामेण गदितमिदं सहृदयं प्रेमिक श्रुत्वा प्राप विस्मयं प्रेमिक श्रुत्वा प्राप विस्मयं भक्तवत्सलं मां भावय लक्ष्मण भक्तवत्सलं मां भावय लक्ष्मण. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Geeta ji. Always, whenever we ask for Raghav Shatakam or anything, you come and just fill the stage actually. Thank you so much for coming and participating, Geeta ji. Marbadi next week we are going to have you again. So, no, in the weekend Thursday we are going to have you again for Raghav Shatakam 28, I think. 27 you finished today. So, from 28 we'll have it on Thursday. So, thank you for participating, Geeta ji. Please come again. Thank you all today who participated in LKS and joined today. Thank you to all the audience who are watching online too. Yarada Solnama, anybody wants to say anything, so I can just spotlight them. Brinda Mami, Kalpagamji irkel. Kalpagamji edha solrala? Yeah.
அந்த யங்ஸ்டர் சஹானா தானே?
Sadhana.
ரொம்ப நல்லா பாடினா அந்த குழந்தை. ஸோ ஐ வாண்ட் டு விஷ் ஹர் ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். இன்னும் மேலே மேலே நிறைய பாடணும். என்ஜாய் லிசனிங் டு ஹர்.
Thank you Kalpagamji. Thank you so much.
கீதாஜியோட பாட்டு ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. ராமாயண ராகா நல்லா இருந்தது.
Yeah, thank you all. Today we started our satsang with Lakshmi Mami by chanting Lalita Sahasranam Stotram. Thank you Lakshmi Mami for coming and chanting Sahasranamam. Please come again and chant for us.
Pleasure, yeah.
Then we had Shanta Mami with wonderful Abhirami song. Abhirami, I think she sang a sloka on Abhirami.
Abhirami Padigam.
Padigam. Thank you. Abhirami Padigam. And then on Guru கேட்கவே வேண்டாம், பெரியவா மேல பாட்டு பாடினாலே நமக்கு ஒரு
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது.
Thank you Shanta Mami for coming and participating. And then we had Sadhana with beautiful voice and beautiful singing. Sadhana, welcome to LKS. I think you had come before. I think this is not your first time, right? நீ ஆல்ரெடி பாடி இருக்கேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Yeah, I've come before.
Yeah, but after a long time we are seeing you, but we want to see you again LKS. So please do come and join and participate and sing more songs. Thank you so much Kanna. Thanks for coming. And then we had Geeta ji for the wonderful Raghav Shadakam. She's coming almost every week. She's participating and contributing to LKS. Thank you so much Geeta ji for coming. With that note, I will end the session with the Lokashema mantra. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Harihi Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. All of you please come and join tomorrow for a wonderful concert. So please don't miss and come and support us. Thank you so much for joining today, and bye bye till then. Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.